Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are making Vietnamese spring roll, but instead of just one filling, we'll be making two different types, shrimp spring roll and lemongrass beef spring roll. This way my family has more options to enjoy. So let's get started. All the ingredient is on the screen. First, let's cook 100 grams of dried rice vermicelli in boiled water for 7 minutes. Once they're done, rinse them with cool water and set them aside. Next, we boil 2 eggs and steam 200 grams of fresh shrimp that has been cleaned, along with half a carrot. Once it cooks, we peel the egg and cut them into small wedges. Cut the cucumber into thin slices, like this. And cut the carrot into thin strips. Slice the shrimp in half. You can also leave the shrimp whole, but cutting them in half will make the spring roll less bulky and easier to roll. Now, let's move on to the lemongrass beef. Marinate 200 grams of beef with 1.5 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of 5-spice powder for 10 minutes. Heat a pan with a bit of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, and stir fry until golden. And then we add 1 teaspoon of chilli. And the marinade beef. Stir fry until the beef is cooked, then set it aside. It's really fragrant. Now let's make the dipping sauce. First, grind half cup of roasted peanut, equal to 75 grams. Mix 8 tablespoons of warm or hot water and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of chopped chilli. Finally, add the ground peanut and mix well. A delicious dipping sauce is essential for Vietnamese spring roll. The taste of the spring roll depends heavily on the sauce. There are many types of sauce that pair well with spring roll, but because we have two types today, shrimp and lemongrass beef, I choose a sweet and sour sauce with peanut, which complement both filling perfectly. With all our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble the spring roll. We start with the shrimp spring roll. Wet the rice paper and lay out the ingredients vertically. Lettuce, herbs, slice of cucumber, some carrot strip, a wedges of egg, some rice noodle, and finally the shrimp slice. Fold the side of the rice paper gently because it is easy to tear out, and then roll tightly. Just follow my step and you can do it too. Many people tend to pile all the ingredients at one end of the rice paper before rolling it out. This can make the roll bulky and uneven. Instead, spread the ingredient vertically, as I'm doing now, to ensure a tight and neat roll. Now let's do the lemongrass beef spring roll. We also put all the ingredients vertically. We put lettuce and mint leaf first. and then cucumber and carrot strips. On this one we're not putting egg. And then some rice noodle on top of the lettuce. Finally, the lemongrass beef. Then we fold and roll them. Look at this beautiful tightly wrapped spring roll. Now, let's plate them and serve with our delicious dipping sauce. The fresh herb, crunchy vegetable and flavorful filling make this spring roll not only tasty but also nutritious. Give it a try and I'm sure your family will love it. And there you have it, fresh and delicious Vietnamese shrimp spring roll and lemongrass beef spring roll. Perfect for sharing with family and friends or even enjoying on your own. And now we are done with our today's recipe. Vietnamese shrimp spring roll and Vietnamese beef lemongrass spring roll. Look at it. It looks appetizing. Now, let's give it a try. We try the shrimp one first. Look at it. How nice is it? Now we dip it with our sweet and sour peanut sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's so nice, it's delicious. This is the first time I tried this dish. I love this dish. It's definitely one of my favorite Vietnamese dish. Just now we tried the shrimp one. This is the beef one. Look at this. Lot of beef. Definitely gonna love it. This lemongrass beef is so tasty. This dish is very healthy because if you can see a lot of green inside here, it definitely has one of the healthy choice to go with your family. It's easy to make at home. You should try it and let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe. If you have anything to say or any feedback or want something specific, just let me know in the comment below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.